Okay, so in the sink right now, in the sink right now, I'm washing some marjoram. I just have some vinegar in the water with some cool water with some vinegar in there, and I'm just going to let these little babies soak and get nice and cleaned up, and then I will bring you guys back. Okay, so now the marjoram has sat for a little bit. I'm just going to put it into my salad spinner here. You guys notice a pattern here? I do all my herbs the exact same way. I don't vary because you know what? When you find something that works, you stick with it. But I know lots of people want to, or you know, they search for how to dry stuff and that, so that's kind of why I do this. I figure I will just do them all. It's the evening. It's snack time. Okay. So now I just need a tray. Might need 2 trays for this. I'm not sure. We'll find out in a second. And I'm just going to, oh, sorry. Okay, I'm just going to lay it down on my tray here. Yeah, I better get a second one. Here we go. Just lay them all down on my tray, and I will bring you guys back tomorrow morning when these are all nicely dried up. So make sure you dry them at whatever temperature you need. I need 125 for where I live. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so my marjoram is now done and dry. It went overnight and now is ready for the jar. So again, I just take it, ouch, and don't get a sliver. Just run my finger along and I end up with the marjoram. And then what I will do, once the end of the season comes and everything is done and dried, that's, well, actually, I'll do a video on that, but that's when I actually go along and get them ready for use. So I more or less take this and make it into this. I know, sorry, it's a dollar store cheapy thing, but I don't really care. I was out completely. So I will make it look like that. Will it focus? I don't know. There we go. So I will take it and make it look like, oops, sorry, make it look like that when I'm done. But I do that once everything's done and dried. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'm gonna be honest, do I stand here and do this? No, I actually normally put my dry herbs into a bowl. I go sit on my bed and I have a mason jar in front of me and I turn on the TV and I watch TV. That's when I relax. I relax by stripping herbs. It's so mindless. That's what makes it beautiful. I don't have to think. I can just lay there, or sit there, sorry, and strip herbs and watch TV. And that is what I'm gonna go and do, because I have another bowl beside me that I gotta go finish. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon. Bye.